All right guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a 5-minute walk at home workout. This is a great workout for older adults, beginners, and folks just kind of getting back into the swing of things. You don't need any fancy equipment. Slip on your sneakers, grab something for hydration, and let's get started. We have 4 basic moves. We're going to start with the first one, just walk in place. Make it happen today. Nice job. So I love to keep these workouts nice and simple. So just 4 basic moves to get started. And then of course we can grow and branch off of those, but just starting here. We're here for just 5 minutes, so commit to this workout, right? Just 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes, everyone does, right? So make it happen today, and this is a great beginner workout for anyone just getting started. If you are new to my channel, hi there, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a passionate women's health advocate, and I create videos like this here on YouTube to support you in your health journey. So I'm so glad, delighted to have you here, and so excited that you said yes to your self-care today. Great job. All right, so this is home base. Anytime you get hung up, come back here. We're gonna try our next move. So it's a side step. Use the space you have. So we're stepping out and back in, just side to side here. Take your time. You may be going faster or slower than me. It's all good. Just make it happen. You said yes to your wellness today, and I am so proud of you. These workouts go by so quick, and I hope you're just enjoying this channel, these workouts. And if you are, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I'd love to know where you're working out in this world and what your favorite exercise was today. Nice job. For 3, 2, and 1, go back to walk in place, home base. You can always take a little break, grab a little sip of water, jump back in when you're ready. Let's get the upper body involved. We're gonna reach the arms up, down, out to the side, and back in. Use the space you got, right? My room's a little bit small today. I'm just testing a new space to record these videos. Nice job. Keep breathing. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. And then walk in place. Let's get the knees up. Our next move is a knee lift. I'm gonna turn to the side, lift, and lift. Now, belly is drawn in, so engage the lower core, lower abdominal core, and then keep the spine upright. Notice I'm not hunched over or leaning too far back. And then maybe you reach opposite hand towards the sky. So connecting the brain and the body here and challenging your balance as well. These workouts are great for folks that have balance issues or coordination issues. So we're giving a double whammy here, right? Challenging everything, and we're breathing through this. We love to hold our breath when we're challenged, but keep breathing naturally. 3, 2, and 1. Walk in place. We got about 2 minutes left. So proud of you. Inhale and exhale. Let it all go here. Great job. Can you get the feet a little higher? Can you pump the arms a little bit more? Here's Charlie. This is my little rescue fella. He wants to scram here. Let's let him out. Keep walking. Bye, buddy. All right, so keep going. All right, next move, it's a kick. Give me a kick out. Kick and kick. Reach both arms out today. Great job. I have a sweet little resource for you. It is a 4-week health and fitness tracker, and it's a great way to track your markers like this. So writing down your fitness goals and your health markers. So I'd love for you to download that. It's totally free, and it's just a little resource I created for my students to help them along their wellness journey. 3, 2, 1. Go back to that walk in place. Nice job. Let's work the upper body again. Let's give me some big circles with the arms here. Nice job. Go to your degree of stretch, your range of motion here. Maybe you smile. I always tell people, you know, it's not required, but it's always encouraged. Enjoy what you do, right? I don't want people to just work out because they're like, oh, my doctor told me to work out. No, I want you to enjoy this. And of course, if you don't like these kind of workouts, try something else. See what works for you. Go ahead and reverse those circles if you've not done so. Coming up right on 30 seconds left. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. And then walk in place. We're here. Here we go. Let's make it happen today, my friend. I am so proud of you. You're gonna cross that finish line strong in just 5 minutes. Notice how you feel, right? Doesn't take a lot. You just gotta stick to it. Be committed. Say, I'm gonna work out 3 days this week and do it. Nice job. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, 5 minutes. Awesome job. You know, we never skip the cool down, so I do want you to go ahead and plant the feet. Take the feet kind of wide here. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead with an angel breath. Maybe you look up. And exhale, set it down, let it go. Good job. 2 more times. Inhale, sweeping the arms high. Exhale, release. And then 1 more time. Inhale, lots of love in. Exhale, lots of love out. Send those hands down by the sides. Big round of applause, big high fives to everyone who showed up today and said yes to your health and wellness. If this was just a little taste for you, maybe this was your warm-up. If you want to check out some longer videos, feel free to. I have a whole library of walking workouts, trampoline videos, yoga videos, all kinds of stuff to support women's health. So it's for you, it's here for you. Definitely go and check out that 4-week health and fitness tracker. You can find that on my website, emilydaugherty.com. And also over there, you can find out some of the other cool things I am providing for my community, and that is you. So check out my website, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.